Hello everyone and welcome back to Neil Explains. Today I come with this viral question. For those who have already solved this, go and comment the right answer. I will give them a heart. So we will solve this stepwise and with PEMDAS. Okay. First, here we can see parenthesis 2 cube plus 4 into 2. So first we will solve for parenthesis part. So first we will solve for this part. And inside the parenthesis, what we have get? The 2 times 2 cube. Okay, so 2 cube, that means 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So we will simply write 8 plus 4 parenthesis into 2. And when we add 8 plus 4 in the next step, what we will get? 12. 8 plus 4, 12 into 2. And as we know, 12 into 2, which equals to 24. So here right answer is 24. So if you want more questions like this, subscribe our channel for more videos like this and go and check out best math book in the description. Thanks for watching.